I'm gonna show you which stock I would pick if I had to do this whole thing over again and go through this terrible tasting market. But sometimes it was sweet. If I had to do it all over again, I'm gonna share with you the number one stock I would pick and what I would do with my money going forward for 2023. I'm medicated. All right, we're gonna get this shit started off immediately. My third favorite stock is Mara. You know how much I love Mara. You know how much I believe in the company. It's an amazing stock. I love it. But it is not my favorite stock, and I would not invest in this just because the government is controlling crypto. Yes, it's an amazing idea. Yes, it is our outcome to freedom. Yes, it is the answer to everything. But until they buy it all up, unless you got super long money, it's going to be purely an uphill battle. I'm not saying I won't invest in it. I'm not saying I still don't have a couple dollars in it. But what I am saying is that I can't pick this as number one. This is going to get the bronze medal out of my favorite stocks. If you were smart enough to take your profits, you got out of there before crypto took a fucking plummet. This is still a $450 million company. And to me, it is something that if you truly believe in crypto, you can go ahead and grab and hold for the future, because it's a beautiful stock. But it's not my favorite. I love you. Crypto, when you do start getting back lit, if y'all do got a couple extra dollars and you don't care about how low it goes, this is $3.75. So it's going to be a while for crypto. Let me know when you think it bounces back. But my third most favorite stock is Mara. And at number two, my second favorite stock is Apple. Y'all know I love Apple. Love it. But I don't think you can go wrong with investing in Apple, honestly. Whether Apple's 1 or 2 in your list, I don't think you can go wrong because Apple's fucking incredible. They have everything. They do everything. It's $130 a share right now. To me, this is a sale. Apple's getting into vehicles, solar power, chips, education, everything, you name it, they got some shit involved in it. Apple's an amazing company. I'm not telling you what to do because this isn't financial advice, and I'm not your financial advisor. I know it might look like it, but I'm not Warren Buffett, and I don't care to be. So what I'm telling you is that Apple is my second favorite stock. It is dope. It is a $2 trillion company. Numbers speak for themselves. Let the people say, oh, it won't, whatever. I don't know who would ever doubt Apple, but whatever. Apple's my second favorite one. And here is my number one favorite stock. I believe it is VTI because to me, I think this has amazing potential. But the beautiful thing about these ETFs, unless this is, I had to learn this the hard way. I did make some profits, but we lost a lot of chicken, but we made some chicken. Realizing that you have to take profits. It's going to be hard to beat the market's average of 8 to 11% returns. The ETFs are amazing. And the thing about VTI that I love the most, these are the top holdings inside of it. As you see Apple, Microsoft with Thin Lip Gates, Amazon, Apple classes A and C, Berkshire Hathaway, Tesla, United Health, Johnson & Johnson, and ExxonMobil. So you're able to capitalize on a multitude of industries with just this one type of stock, or ETF, I should say. This is heavily technology and healthcare based. It's an amazing company because guess what? Technology is the future and people are getting sicker in America, so we need it. VTI is what I'm going to be investing in. It is $192 per share. So I'm not telling you what to do, but this is my thought. I'm actually going to be investing this straight. And if I had to do it all over again, even if you do this for 10 years, hear me out. This is what you could do and what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be taking my money, investing in it into VTI, right? Consistently, we'll dollar cost average in every month or week, however often we're investing, we'll throw it in there. And then with that residual income, what I will do is take profits. Now, the profits that I will take is when I begin to get 15% up on a position, I will take some profits. No matter what, I learned my lesson and I know to take profits now. As I'm up 15%, I will then take that money and I will then put it into a high yield savings account, a CD, or some sort of investment tool, or a no penalty CD over on SaveBetter.com. SaveBetter is a play that my homie Jared put me on, and this is amazing. This is a company where you could go and get yourself a high yield savings account, fixed term CD, or a no penalty CD. Now, a lot of y'all are like, whoa, I thought we wasn't fucking with savings. We not, but this savings allows you to earn money. It reminds me of staking in crypto. I'm going to put it in here and let it work for me because, my money loves to bring friends. I love when my money brings company. So that is my strategy going forward for 2023 and forever. I'm still going to invest in other things, but my main focus is to get my foundation key, and I want to get as much VTI as my beautiful heart can handle. I pray you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you're going to do with your money going forward. Have you given up on stocks? You think all the companies in the world are just going to collapse? Let me know what your thoughts are. I love you. We are on the road to 100,000 subscribers, and it feels so amazing. As I record this, I'm at about 92,000, man. And anything you fucking want to come true can and will come true if you believe it. Stop complaining. You got to change yourself if you want to change the world. You dig me? I love you. And until next time, stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. You did.